My dears, once more you are welcome to this class for another enjoyment. Today I am going to give you some tips on SLR camera and its parts function and some tips on photography by which you can do better photograph at home by the help of your mobile camera, or if you are having any SLR camera or simple camera. But before going, everything is difficult. Everything is difficult before they are easy. Got it? Everything is difficult before they are easy. It means whatever you are achieving, whatever you would like to achieve, everything feel difficulties before it becomes easy. So nothing is easy in your life. If you would like to make it easy, so you have to go through the difficulties. And difficulties come over by the help of practice, revise, and listen, see again and again. Today I will tell you about the SLR camera. SLR camera is a single lens reflex camera. Is it? And in this single lens reflex camera, there is a single lens which gives you a photograph by the help of only one lens. Okay? When we talk about one lens, that means it's not having any other arrangement. When you click a picture by your mobile camera, it is also having one lens. But nowadays, especially for photography, there are so many manufacturers of this trend, that is mobile camera. You will find there are 3 cameras, 4 cameras, 5 cameras, 6 cameras like this. Okay, and these cameras only for the purpose to make your picture more interesting, more bright, more beautiful. For making a photograph more beautiful, if the lens manufacturer, mobile manufacturer are doing so much hard work, why not you? Once you come out to take good picture, you try to click 10 photographs from different angle, you will find there are at least 2-3 photographs which is more beautiful than any other. Select those, keep it in your store. It will help you to attend so many competitions, as well as our school is organizing every month a competition, photography competition for the month. You attend this, go through the website, you will find the link and you have to submit the photograph. Without any hesitation, without making any hard copy, you can do it. And it will help you in your life to rectify yourself. It will help you in your life to know yourself. Your photograph which you are making, it is in which standard. Though I don't mind It may possible sometimes that the photograph which you have clicked and your friend have clicked and sent, these two is having two different theme. And, obviously it depends on the criteria on the particular time when you are going to judge this by the judges, that which photograph is more interesting at that time. It's having different criteria, maybe by the color, by the time, by the light, by the composition, by the theme. Okay, but one thing is important, that you take part, because participation is the most important. When you will participate again and again, you will find out the level of your knowledge will be gain more, improve more, and you will able to see more photographs. You will able to get more possibilities. You will able to get more facilities in your mind to develop yourself how the photographs gets prizes. Okay, so let's come for the SLR camera. As I have told you, SLR camera is a type of camera in which single lens is there. In the single lens, we used to view the object and click the photograph. Both the things we do together. That is why it is called single lens camera. And in the single lens camera, the facility is that whatever you are viewing by the help of your camera, you are going to get that exact image. And that exact image is going to give by that type of camera, which is SLR type of camera. That is why it is little costly than any other camera. Okay. So now this is SLR camera lens. In this lens, it used to perform the image. You get the image, and in this type of image, the formation of image is exact what you are viewing, and after that the enlargement which take place, the size which you are making, that comes good, nice, because in many times you will find that in a camera which is simple camera, if you make little bigger size of the photograph, it doesn't come proper. It doesn't come proper due to so many reasons. One is its resolution, one is its pixel, another is the quality of lens, next is coating of the lens, another is size of the lens. You will find in mobile camera, whatever size of the lens is there, in SLR camera the lens is at least 20 times more than that. Though both used to give you the picture. But you know children, when you are clicking a picture by the help of mobile camera, you find yourself it's more better than any other. It's more better than any other camera you feel because you take it easy. The availability of your mobile camera is easy. The availability of your clicking is easy. You don't have to do any calculation. You don't have to go for any kind of other composition, because as soon as you get it, there is the option for making it crop and this color correction, or so many software is there nowadays in mobile you can put to get the picture more better. But if you are doing like this, that means you are going for not using your brain. If you would like to use your brain, you have to do it manually, and you have to do it in this way that it will be your own creation. That is why we are here to learn the things. So SLR camera is a single lens reflex camera by which you get the picture which is exact, which you view before clicking the picture. Okay, same thing is there in the mobile camera also. You will find the simple single lens is there by which you click the picture, and whatever picture comes inside the camera, or while you view this, you will find you view this before clicking the picture on the screen, and that also used to give you the same image in the digital camera, because it is having digital version, and digitally it used to take so many cares which you do not have to do. But in SLR camera, the things which is most important, that is the light compensation is there, which is not there in your mobile camera, because you cannot make the calculation by using, maybe many of the mobile cameras having this kind of facility, but most of the time SLR is the best camera for clicking a picture. If you do not have to click it in initial stage for getting a picture where the light is bright, because it's all the game of photography depends on the light. If you do not have proper light, you cannot get good picture. So mine, the light is proper, and you are clicking a picture, it will come proper. Okay, so this is SLR camera. In this camera, what facility is there? In this camera, there is an aperture, there is a shutter. Okay, and shutter and aperture both together combine itself to make an exposure, which is the combination of light of the subject, and by which you get a good picture. A good picture gives by SLR camera. Now this shutter, aperture, this clicker, is it? One more thing is there, which is clicker, is situated in the SLR camera. Now I am showing you some photographs by which you will energize that how you can make good picture. See, each and every picture you can make more interesting, more good. How you can do it? You have to do the proper light condition. You have to do the proper arrangement. You have to do the proper lighting. You have to do the proper framing. And little bit care you have to take, by which you can get good picture. Now you see the rest of the picture which you have clicked many times and you have exposed many times, but it is few of it by which you will able to understand when you do it, and when it comes in front of you, you find yourself more difficult. Now you see on the screen, you will able to understand how beautiful you have done, and you can do it. shutter, as well as this is the aperture, and this side you will find the clicker. Now function of each and every part is different, and for this different function of different part we are able to get good picture. Now this is clicker. You know what's the reason of getting it? It is called actually clicker. Many of you push the button, you don't know what it's called. It is clicker. What is a clicker? Clicker used to give instruction to the door inside the camera which is available to allow the light to pass on the film. If it is not film, then there will be a card, mirror, whatever is there. For receiving the reflection of the light from the object, it is called clicker. So what is the function of clicker? It helps us to allow the light to pass through the lens on the film, on the memory card, on the plate, on the mirror which is situated at the back side of the lens. You cannot get it in any other place. It is absolutely just after the lens, just behind the lens. Now there is a shutter. What is shutter actually? Shutter is a door inside the camera. Shutter is a door inside the camera. It is used to close all the time. Why it is closed? Because if it remain open, the light which is coming through the lens, it will continuously make the image. When it will continuously make the image, you will not get any image which you would like to make. You will not get exact photograph which you want to get. Now next, there is an aperture. In the lens, there is an aperture, and in that aperture, there are different segments. What segment is there? That if you click a photograph in a light condition which is normal, for that whatever aperture you will use, you will not use which is in the sunny or less light or shade. What is an aperture? It's an opening of the lens. Aperture is an opening of the lens. When the lens is open, then only the light allows. How to open the lens? There is a lens cap. In simple camera, which is simple camera, they will find that there is a button by which you open it, and if it is SLR camera, there is a cap. If it is mobile camera, you have to go for that particular option for opening the camera. Now this opening the camera allows the light to pass inside the camera, and for that there are different diameter. This diameter is the opening of the lens, and it is an aperture for any camera. In simple camera, the aperture is small. In SLR camera, you can calculate. In digital auto camera, it used to calculate itself. In mobile camera, also it calculate itself. But if you know the manual calculation, you can do so much good photography, so much calculative photography, so much experimental photography. either only will do photography, but for doing photography by the help of any kind of camera, any kind of lens, you will find an opening which is called in photography language aperture. Okay, so this is the main part. Okay, and as I have told you that everything is difficult before they are easy, you try to find out, try to know the things, see few photographs, you do some photography, take part in the competition, you will find yourself more experienced, you will find yourself more eligible, you will find yourself more capable when you will do these all things at least for few years. Thank you very much. Now children, I am going to tell you about the tricks in photography, which is a brilliant idea. You can make nice picture by using this. You take a scissor, a bottle, plastic bottle obviously, and cut it from the top and back, both the side. So you take a bottle, cut it from the front and back, both the side, and it will become like this. Now keep your mobile camera or camera lens this way, and at the back side you put your subject this way. As soon as you will click, you will get this type of picture. Once, twice, you just try, you will get the picture this way. Now second trick, which is another idea. Now in this one you have so many books, copies. You take a fair nice book page which you can fold, and light should be there properly, because light is very important for this. You fold it, keep inside a pencil, keep your mobile or camera this way, you put a distance, you click the picture, you will get it like this. Once, twice, thrice you try, you will get this kind of very nice picture in your own mobile or own camera, and you will able to enjoy.